The cultures of Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the fastest growing city in the world with the ever increasing real estate and booming IT sector. Hyderabad has successfully retained its spot on the list of cosmopolitan cities in India. The town has a number of things that it has to offer. People usually visit the city to seek employment and education since it is the international center for information and technology in India. But apart from trade and commerce, Hyderabad also has rich cultural background. The culture in Hyderabad goes all the way back to 1591 when Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah founded. Hyderabad remained under Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah's dynasty for over a century. In 1724, Asif Jan created his dynasty, known as the Nizams of Hyderabad. Hence, Hyderabad ended up becoming the well-known city of Nizams. In the 19th century, Hyderabad emerged as the cultural hub of India, with artists migrating to the city from across the Indian subcontinent. It attracted many novelists from all around the world. Hyderabad is a place where people from different cultures live together. It is the sixth most populated cities in India. With a large population of immigrants, this city has learned to incorporate with different traditions from around the country. Each culture has something to offer to the metropolitan crowd. Many factors contribute to the cultures of Hyderabad. These factors include language. Hyderabadis can speak fluent English, Hindi, Urdu and Telugu. Usually, Telugu used to be the official language in Hyderabad, with people of all cultural backgrounds immigrated to the city. Hyderabadis have learned to mix up with different cultures. People make an effort to learn all major languages that are spoken in the city. Food habits. Hyderabadi biryani is the first thing that comes to anybody's mind while thinking about the food in Hyderabad. But since the culture is so diverse, you can find a vast variety in the number of delicacies that it has to offer. The street food of Hyderabad is very scrumptious, overwhelming. It starts right from tala hua goose to bagra chawal and kurma. You will never run out of new delicacies to try out in Hyderabad. Cultural attractions. Cultural attractions of Hyderabad start from ancient monuments and modern markets. Each location has its own charm. The grand architecture displayed by different temples and places will offer you an insight into the evolution of cultural diversity in Hyderabad. Over the centuries, these locations enhance the color spectrum of the city with beautiful architecture and craftsmanship, providing a virtual tour of the history and attracts a lot of architectural enthusiasts. Dressing. Hyderabad is epitome of cultural diversity in the country, and has a result. You can see people dressed up in all sorts of colorful traditional dresses in the city. Sari, salwa, kameez, chudidar are some of the traditional dresses for women, while men's clothing include dhoti and sharwani, usually wear during weddings and other traditional ceremonies. Festivals. People in Hyderabad rejoin in celebrating the different festivals in India. Festivals like Dashera, Bonalu, Ugadi, Bakrid, Sri Ramanami, Hanuman Jayanti, Christmas are a combination of main and religion ones. These festivals are celebrated all around the year, with people being equally passionate for all of them. It is quite exciting to be a part of any one of these following festivals. These festivals only brings all the people even more closer to each other. In conclusion, I would like to tell that Hyderabad can provide you various things to explore on. Now, I I understood everything about cultures, but I was brainstorming from a lot of time, but I didn't understand what is religion. Can somebody please explain it to me?